Let me pull up my Google Sheets where I have all of my broker accounts, and this one is going to be inside of this account. I'm going to log in here and let's see how this is doing. So for those of you that don't know, whenever you use BotSpot, you're going to link it to a broker, right? And in this case, I have it linked up to this broker called Tradier, where you can see here, I have some some options in HIMS, which looks like they're actually up about 20 bucks. I believe this strategy is set to trade every Thursday, so it probably just bought this earlier today. And we can actually take a look at what activity has been happening in this account. It's activity type, interest, journal, option, trade. Let's see. Okay, so we just sold some CCJ. That makes sense. Sold it for 600 bucks, sold it for 500 bucks. Looks like we made a nice profit off of this. Bought it for 400, sold it for 500. Very nice. Bought it for 400, sold it for 600. That's actually, no, these are two different ones. This is HIMS. This is the one that we just bought here. And we bought a couple of these for 300 bucks. All right. So far, so good. We're up a little bit. Nothing to write home about, but I think pretty damn cool. Going in the right direction. Let's see how this turns out. For those of you that don't know, the reason why we're actually so interested in this one is because of the back test that we got was pretty damn good. So here's that back test. When we ran it, we got 110% annual return with only a 42% drawdown. This is over the period of about a year and a half. When we take a look at the tear sheet, this is kind of what it looks like. So it's a pretty damn nice looking graph. It was enough to convince me to put my own money into this. If we could hit that 110% return per year, I'll be pretty damn happy. I'll tell you that much. All right. As you can see here, basically what this does, or maybe you can't see it, but basically what this strategy does is it will buy from a list of the best tickers over the past couple years, which we did manually. We used that with AI and kind of just looked it up and said, hey, here, what are the best tickers? It gave us a list, the ones that performed the best. We put those into a basket and we said, okay, well, out of those, which are performing the best over the past, I think 30 days or something like that, or 3 months. We pick those best ones and we invest in the top two. Right, so we don't just buy one, we buy two. Today, we only seem to have one, which is probably has something to do with either price or maybe just hasn't bought it yet. That's normally what it should do. And then we also have something called a VIX check, where if the VIX is above 21, for those who don't know what the VIX is the volatility index. It was really high earlier this year. Beginning of January, there's a lot of uncertainty. January, February, March, especially around the whole tariff debacle and all that, VIX shot up like crazy. And that's when it would have not traded. So actually would have been a very good time. So if you see here, you see some nice flat spots in our back test. That's because the VIX is too high and just said, you know what, I'm not going to trade here, which actually was a very good thing because the stock market was down. So kind of avoided that whole downturn and then just continued to go up afterwards. So I'd say that's a really nice outcome there. Cool. So that's our weekly momentum option strategy. Again, if you guys want to run this, it's available in the marketplace. So you guys can check it out. And here's another one that I'm running with real money. So actually that one, this one, the weekly momentum option strategy. This one, I believe I have about 5 grand in it, if I remember correctly. Yeah, so it's about 5,000 bucks in this account. Okay, I have another one running here. Is our TQQQ SMA 200. This is also in the marketplace. This one's been doing quite well as well. I click on view live performance, and this is what happened with this one. This one's up 2.6%. Very cool. This one's up that much since September 24th. So it's been about, 3 weeks, up 2.6%. Not bad.
Okay, like what you saw? See the strategies we've created in the marketplace or create your own with our powerful trading AI at www.botspot.trade.